guys, it finally showed up. I have finally received the missing item for my Ipsy mystery bag. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. We are doing an Ipsy mystery bag unboxing, and if you guys saw my previous unboxing, which was not too long ago, I was telling you how I ordered this bag and it was missing one of the products, but Ipsy did correct the situation by sending out its replacement item, so I finally have in the mystery bag with all 5 of the products in here as well, and we can now see what is inside of this bag. So we are unboxing the On the Bright Side mystery bag from Ipsy. This is still available to purchase if you guys are interested in getting one yourself. I will be posting the link down below, that way you guys can go check it out. My understanding is you do not have to be an Ipsy member in order to purchase these mystery bags. Apparently they changed that. I never saw when that happened. It's just what I keep hearing in all of my comments is that you no longer have to be a member in order to buy them. So I will post the link down there and you guys can check it out. I've also got another link if you do want to sign up for their subscription. Then I know you can get the mystery bag as well. So this bag is super cute, and like I said, it's called On the Bright Side, which I think is very fitting because it's definitely a bright mystery bag. It's very puffy, so it kind of reminds me of those puffer jackets. Like, it's just, even the sound of it, you know what I mean? Like, it's just soft and squishy and it feels super nice. But I love how bright the fabric is. And then it's also got this blue and pink combo here. So, I mean, it's kind of giving like these 80s vibes, and I just live for that. So I don't know. I think these are really, really cute. I have found so far, based off of what I've been reading in comments and what I've seen online, that you either love this bag or you really dislike this bag. There's no real in between on it, but I think it's super cute. But we are supposed to receive 5 sample-sized items inside of the bag itself, and that is where there was a little bit of a hiccup. They originally shipped this to me with only 4 items inside of it, but before I'd even opened it, Ipsy had already sent me an email saying that we're sending you your 5th item. We forgot to send it the first time. It sounds like that happened to everyone, so they are taking care of that situation. So inside, I do have my 5 items in here. It's all ready to go, so we're gonna open it up now. First item in my mystery bag is from Somerville. This is the Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer. Okay, I'm kind of shocked, you guys. No, not kind of shocked. I'm a lot of shocked, honestly. So, great brand, and I understand it is just travel size, but I mean, I'm fine with that. Like, you get to try out an excellent brand name here. This moisturizer has the vitamin C and retinol in it, so it should help with any signs of aging, but also brightening up your skin at the same time. So here's what this looks like. It is cruelty-free and PETA certified, actually, so that's awesome. It does mention that you want to use this only at night, and you want to do a very thin, even layer to your face and neck. And if it's too strong of a product, you're going to want to cut this out. So there is a sensitivity warning on here, so possibly if you have sensitive skin, this might not work the greatest for you. Oh, you know what else? There was one other thing I was going to mention about these bags. Did anyone else notice how they're all $2 higher now? That just kind of happened randomly. I don't know when it was. It was sometime in March, I think, that all of the bags now cost $2 more, because it used to be it was $14 for the bag plus the $2 handling fee plus the sales tax. Now they're $16 plus the handling fee of $2 and sales tax. So you're over $20 now for this mystery bag and the products inside of it, which I gotta tell you, you gotta factor in, because I feel like $20, now we're talking like big money, right? Because no offense, but Allure Beauty Box is only $25 a month. So for a couple dollars more, I'm getting full-size products over there versus their mystery bags. Now that's probably not gonna stop me from ordering these just because I do it so that you guys can see what's in it. It's one of those that I buy it so you don't have to. But I do think that needs to be worth mentioning, because that's a bit higher of a price tag and the value really starts to be questioned in there. So I hope they better keep sending brands like this in order to make these bags worth it. Okay, that's enough of my soapbox on that. The next one that I have in here is from Kapari. This is their Sun Shield Soft Glow Daily Face SPF 30. The name is ridiculously long, you guys. So this is a sunscreen. That's all they really need to put on here is a sunscreen. And it is SPF 30 and it will have vitamin E and other minerals inside of it. They're supposed to help protect your skin, but also give you a little bit of a pearl glow. So it is a bit of an illumination at the same time. It's not like a highlighter where it's lots of pigment, but it will give you a little bit of that shimmer. Now, the size that we have here is 5 ml of product. So truthfully, you cannot use this all over your body because there is not enough here to do that. You could put this on your face and maybe, I don't know if you'd want to do just maybe your chest or something. There's not a lot of product to work with here. Next item inside of our box is also Kate Somerville. We got 2 of them? Well, that's unusual. This is the exfolikate exfoliating treatment. This is her intense treatment. Now, this product I know is a cult favorite and it works for a lot of different people. But again, I'm going to tell you guys there's a sensitivity warning on this. I felt like this burned my skin when I used it, so I don't use it anymore. I just felt like it was too strong for my skin. So if you do receive this product or you want to try it, do a small area first. Do not put it all over your face and just see how your skin reacts to it. But I just felt like it was a bit too strong for me. Having said that, it does work for a lot of people. I see lots of great reviews on it online, so I know it works for some, just not my skin. The next item that we have in here is 3 ml. I don't care that this is an eye product, you guys. I understand we don't need a lot of cream or eye product for that area, right? But this is ridiculous. Like 3 ml, I'm going to complain about this, okay? Not to Ipsy, but to you guys. I'm just going to tell you I don't like how small these are. So this is from First Aid Beauty, and it is their Eye Duty Cream with niacinamide inside of it. This is just ridiculous. I mean, seriously, this is so lame. I cannot believe it is this small of a product. 3 ml? That's nothing. This just annoys me looking at it. Like, the longer I look at it, the more annoyed I get. Unagi. Last item inside of this bag is the item that they forgot to include the first time. I'm not sure if we all got the same product or if they were just sending out a different product to everyone. Was it just random that they just sent out a sample product? I don't really know, but this is what I got as my 5th item. So it's from Estate Cosmetics, and this is their highlighter. The shade is called Blast Off, and it is kind of a gold shimmer highlight. So I don't think it's bad at all, honestly. I think it's kind of pretty. I think this will be a gorgeous shade this summer. It's very golden, and I think it catches the light really well. So I don't think this is terrible. I don't think it's super exciting either. I mean, it's like, it's okay. But yeah, I guess it's just neutral. I'm just kind of like, meh. So that is everything in the Bright Side mystery bag from Ipsy. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like this bag is a mixed bag of emotions, to be honest with you. I feel like the Kate Somerville in here is great. I think that's an excellent brand name to have in here. I think the Kapari is also good. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but I do think they're good brands. The First Aid Beauty is also a good brand, but I'm annoyed at the size. Like, I just, every time I look at it, I'm like, this is just annoying. But I think it's like some of it is good, some of it I don't care for. But I also go back to the fact that you're spending $20 on all of this. And all of this can fit in my one hand here. And I'm like, if somebody offered me this for $20, I'd go, are you out of your mind? Like, I mean, I'm sorry to be that blunt, but seriously, I look at this and go, this is not worth $20. I know the brands are there, but this is not worth $20 to me at least. But those are my thoughts. You guys comment down below. Maybe you disagree. Maybe you feel like this is a good deal. Maybe you will like it for this. I definitely think the bag has to be a factor in here because I do think the bag is super cute. So this at least helps me on my purchase price here that I feel like this is good for me. And I think these are decent. But if you're only buying this bag strictly for the products, I think it might be a waste for you. So that is everything for today's unboxing, you guys. Comment down below, give me your thoughts, we'll talk about it. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye!